Construction is in full swing on the banks of the Cumberland River, where the new Nissan Stadium is beginning to rise. This massive project will soon redefine the skyline of East Nashville and set a new standard for NFL venues. Step by step, the steel framework is being lifted into place, with enormous trusses forming the backbone of the stadium's futuristic roof. Each beam represents progress toward a fully enclosed, climate-controlled environment built for fans and players alike. Inside, the seating bowl is taking shape, engineered to bring more than 60,000 fans closer to the action, with perfect sightlines from every angle. Beneath it all, crews are installing advanced drainage and field systems to ensure the playing surface performs at the highest level year-round. Beyond the field, expansive concourses are under development. These wide, open areas will soon host restaurants, lounges, and interactive spaces designed to make game day an immersive experience from the moment fans arrive. But this isn't just about football. The new Nissan Stadium is envisioned as a multi-purpose hub, capable of hosting concerts, community events, and some of the world's biggest sporting showcases. More than just a building, it's a commitment to Nashville's growth, its culture, and its future. With an opening scheduled for 2027, the countdown has begun. The new Nissan Stadium will not only be the next home of the Tennessee Titans, it will be a bold new landmark for the city and its people.